Hello everyone, and welcome back to our interior design channel. Today, we have an exciting project in store for you. We'll be showing you how to beautifully decorate a bathroom using wood tile ideas. So, if you're ready to create a serene and stylish bathroom retreat, let's get started. Before we dive into the design, it's important to plan and prepare. Measure your bathroom dimensions and make a rough layout. Once you have that, let's move on to the next step. Wood look tiles are our foundation. Begin by laying these tiles as your flooring. Ensure a clean and level surface. Apply the tiles methodically, leaving space for grout. Once they're all in place, it's time to let them set. Now, let's add functionality and style to our vanity cabinet and sink. Carefully position the cabinet, making sure it's level. Attach the sink and faucet according to manufacturer instructions. This will be your bathroom centerpiece. No bathroom is complete without a mirror and proper lighting. Hang the mirror above the vanity at a comfortable height. Install your chosen light fixtures on either side. This combination provides great illumination for your daily routine. Time to transform the shower area. Install the shower enclosure, ensuring it's watertight. Place the wooden shower bench for comfort and functionality. Don't forget to add hooks for towels and robes, keeping things neat and accessible. For a touch of luxury, let's focus on the bathtub and toiletry zone. Position your bathtub as desired. Add a stylish toilet paper holder and towel bar or ring nearby for convenience. Now, let's enhance storage and aesthetics with open shelving. Mount the shelves securely on the wall. Here, you can display decorative items, towels, or toiletries. It's a great opportunity to infuse your personal style. As we wrap up, don't forget the finishing touches. Install cabinet hardware that complements your overall theme. Address ventilation with a modern fan. And, for the walls, consider wooden trim and molding or a wood-inspired wallpaper for a cohesive look. If you're combining wood tiles with another flooring material, add transition strips for a polished appearance. Finally, apply grout between your wood tiles. Choose a color that complements your wood tones and design. And there you have it, a stunning wood-themed bathroom that's both functional and inviting. It's amazing how these components come together to create a harmonious space. Now, it's time to relax and enjoy your beautiful bathroom retreat. Thank you so much for joining us on this interior design journey. We hope this tutorial inspired you to create your dream bathroom using wood tile ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!